my beautiful glam queens, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my TikTok feed and here on YouTube, and you guys get a chance to vote which product is your favorite. Also, keep on watching and find out how you can get featured in next week's video. First product up is Clinique, all about the eyes. This one is just a little sample size that I got. There is a 0.5 ounce size that is $39 and a 1 ounce size that is $63. Ya better be worth it. Can be purchased at Clinique.com, Sephora, Ulta, Target, possibly even Kohl's,
and Macy's.
Expiration date is 6 months. It is 100% fragrance free, dermatologist tested and ophthalmologist tested, and allergy tested. It is also free of parabens, phthalates, synthetic colors, and drying alcohol. This is Clinique's #1 eye cream. It hydrates as it reduces the look of puffiness and under eye circles. Eyes will feel soothed, hydrated, look brighter and refreshed.
That's what I'm talking about.
And apparently it only takes 3 seconds just to depuff and refresh the eyes.
Wait a minute!
This lightweight under eye cream absorbs easily into the skin. It gives you a perfect silky smooth base for foundation and concealer. This is for skin types that are very dry to regular dry to dry combination or combination oily and oily. It has vitamin C, mulberry root extract, caffeine phytosphingosine, wheat bran extract, and olive fruit extract. Then of course, the green tea leaf extract. It also has glycerin, sodium, and cyclopentasiloxane. You do have some results on these. It was tested on 32 women in 4 weeks. It's not much. It just says that it visibly depuffs and reduces the look of dark circles in 4 weeks. Wow. That's it. That's your results. Now, when do you want to use this? Day and night. Night and day. 2 times a day. Makes sense. Day and night. 2 times. Yeah, no fragrance. I can't tell if it's just the packaging that I'm smelling, but I would say it's just very, very light if there is. Now with the ring finger, go ahead and grab some. I grab it from the top since there's already a lot on there. I want to do it patting motions like this. And it says go ahead on the entire eye. Nice wet cooling effect. Very nice. It looks like it would be jelly, but it is creamy. Oh, that's a lot. It's an interesting texture. It's not a thick lotion. More of a watery lotion. That's how you would explain it. A watery, creamy lotion. Okay, now we're going to move on to the next product. Next one up is Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. This is a sample size I got, 0.1 ounces. Regular size is 0.5 ounces and costs $38. Can be purchased at glowrecipe.com, Sephora, / possibly Kohl's. Pretty good. I can't remember, but I think I got this one for my birthday. Yeah. Expiration date on this is 6 months. It is vegan and cruelty free. Also free of parabens, mineral oil, synthetic dyes, silicones, phthalates, any drying alcohols, fragrance, and essential oils. It is a gentle and effective eye cream. It visibly brightens and firms dark circles and revives tired, puffy eyes. And don't worry, it can be used on the whole entire eye area. I mean, it should be safe for everything around the eye. Now when you put it on the eyelid, it should brighten discoloration, smooth textured crepey skin, or wrinkled skin, and even firm hooded eyelids. It is super lightweight and still creamy. This should absorb quickly in the skin and help concealer blend seamlessly through the day. Basically, that means that the moisturizers in this formula is helping out hydrating and smoothing the skin, prepping the skin for a better application for your makeup under your eye and eyelid. It is for dry skin, oily skin, normal skin, and even combination skin. It is also okay for sensitive skin. I would highly recommend to test it first though. Like if it says use 3 times a day, use it only 2 times a day. If it says 2 times a day, use it only 1 time a day, and then slowly build up from that. You also want to keep this skincare item in a cool, dry place. Do not put it directly in sunlight. Things can happen. Now what's inside it? It has encapsulated 10% vitamin C, which contains 5 clinically advanced water-soluble, and yes, even oil-soluble, for brighter dark circles. It has encapsulation technology, yes, this is their words, which allows for gradual release and absorption to prevent irritation and maximize the treatment. It also has 3% niacinamide blend, which has a strong concentration that targets intense dark circles. Wow. And brightens under eye shadowing. It also has peptides and green caffeine acetyl tetrapeptide 5 and arginine work together to visibly reduce the appearance of tired eyes by strengthening and lifting the delicate eye skin. Guava seed oil and fruit extracts help provide a boost of glow. They're naturally rich in antioxidants to help protect against free radicals. Anything outside in the environment, basically. Which fruit extracts? You got apple, banana, pear, and raspberry fruit extracts. Intense. Now again, we have some results. This was tested on 32 subjects and they used it only as directed. We're going to go ahead first and talk about what happened in 4 weeks. Here we go. 100% agree the product smoothed the texture around the eyes and made eyes look less puffy. 96% agree that the product made their eyes look brighter, glowy, more illuminated, and visibly reduced the appearance of dark eye circles. Yes. 93% agree that it reduces the look of discoloration around the eye area. And only 90% agree that this product made their dark circles look brighter. Now this is after 8 weeks. 100% showed improvement in their dark circles and under eye puffiness. Also, it showed improvement in their crow's feet. And 96% agrees that this improves the overall appearance of the eye area and visibly reduces the appearance of under eye dark circles. And these last 2 percentages are basically the same as the 4 weeks one. We'll go over it again. 93% agreed that this product reduced the look of discoloration around the eye. And 90% agree that this made their dark circles even brighter. Now I'm going to put it on this eye. I'm going to use the ring finger. I got a squeeze tube. Yeah, no scent. Pretty good. Now you want to gently press about a pea size on you. There's been some debate on what a pea size actually is. I would just say use as much as you would like. What is good for you? Okay, go ahead and put it on your entire eye area. So everywhere. It even says all the way up to your brows. This whole area and the under eye. There we go. Then it says to keep tapping until it fully absorbs. Yeah. My eyes are sensitive, so it starts hurting from the tapping after a while. So I would say just stop. Stop if it starts hurting you. Maybe I'm too strong. Maybe I gotta tap softer. Okay, I'm good. This can be used morning and night, every day. So basically, that's 2 times a day. Again, if you have sensitive skin, the vitamin C can be a little bit too strong. So start off with 1 a day and build up. And that's pretty much it. Yeah. Now, after this, we go ahead and follow up with the sunscreen, which I need. I've been filming this without sunscreen on my face because I had to wait till I put these guys on. So we're going to do that. And that's it. Then we're going to get to the results. Okay, we're going to get into the results. First, of course, TikTok. Here we go. That's a good sound. And the winner is doo-doo-doo-doo. Boom! Glow Recipe 82%. Whoa, 82%. Interesting. All right, and then we have Clinique at 18%. Pretty good. 82%, you are the winner. Woohoo, woohoo. Okay, we're not done yet. We're going to get into the YouTube results. Here we go. YouTube. And the winner is... doo-doo-doo. Boom! Clinique, 100%. Whoa, Clinique. Congratulations, 100%. You are the winner here on YouTube. Thank you for those who voted. Woohoo! Well. Looks like you two both are the winners. 100 on YouTube and 82% on TikTok. That was an intense match. Whew. Yeah. Well, now let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. Either Clinique or Glow Recipe. Go ahead, comment below. Maybe let me know how long you've been using it. If you've seen any improvements on your skin from either of them. Which one's your favorite? Do you agree with the results? Do you not agree with the results? Let me know. And I will feature you in next week's video. Also, I just want to remind you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification, like, comment, share, all that jazz. And yeah, I will see you guys next week. Keep on loving makeup, keep on rocking, and bye. Bye.